I will never look at Facebook the same after learning this. Ready to boost your page and start earning with in-stream ads? First up, try to get 1,000 follower. For this, post consistent and high-quality content. Make sure it's engaging and valuable. Get people hooked for at least a minute. Next, keep your videos at least 3 minutes long. That's the sweet spot for meeting Facebook's view duration criteria. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer messages, and build a loyal community. Promote your page using Facebook ads. It's a quick way to reach a broader audience. Also, collaborate with influencers for cross-promotion. Leverage other platforms. Share your videos on Instagram, Twitter, wherever. Drive that traffic back to Facebook. Analyze and improve. Use Facebook Insights to see what works. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Lastly, run contests and giveaways. Get people to follow your page and engage with your content. Stick to these strategies and you'll hit those in-stream ads qualification criteria in no time. Happy creating! For more video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thanks you.